Hello YouTube, Pinchio Wait here. Well, today I'm planning to do a little bit of catch up on some more Spin Master Monster Jam reviews, and that includes Mix B of the Fire and Ice singles. Right now, the only ones I have include the three fire trucks of Fire Son of a Digger, Fire Pirate's Curse, and Fire Great Clips Mohawk Warrior, and just received in the mail today, Ice Gravedigger. I know there's supposed to be an Ice Earthshaker, but I'm gonna wait on that. Because apparently, I just didn't know until now, because of the All-Star Challenge, that Bryce Kenny came out with the Fire Great Clips Mohawk Warrior, along with Kristen Anderson doing the Ice Gravedigger, and I gotta say, they're very cool. It's just too bad Pirate's Curse and Earthshaker are not in it. Son of a Digger is in the All-Star Challenge, but not on the Fire team. It'd be cool next year if they did an Ice version of Son of a Digger, since he's on Team Ice. And I did get to enjoy a live stream of last night's racing and best trick competition, so Gizmo's getting in the way a little bit. Gizmo, move. Bad dog. Well, anyway, all I can say for now is congrats to Ryan Anderson for winning the racing competition, and to Brianna Mahan for winning the best trick competition. So, tonight we're going to be doing the Vegas-style racing, and then freestyle. So, what do you say we look at these trucks little by little? Let me get Gizmo out of the way first. So, quickly say hello, Gizmo. Okay, so the truck we're starting off with taking a look at is Gravedigger Ice, because I think this is very impressive. And of course, this is the complaint card that each of these trucks will come with. Same things with the Mix 1 A and B of the singles. And speaking of the way we've had a singles Fire and Ice release as well as a doubles, it's been confirmed that there are no more double packs. Until this mix and then the third mix, it's only going to be singles as of that on. And I believe in the singles for next year, we're going to have a Fire Soldier Fortune Black Ops and an Ice Bakugan Dragonoid, even though the real Bakugan Dragonoid is not on Team Ice. But we're going to start off by taking a look here once again at Gravedigger Ice, in which Kristen Anderson does have right now as I speak. And I gotta say, to see that it has all that detail with snow on the haunted house like that, and a snowy ghost like that, with snow all over the tombstones, and a little bit of blue, is really, really unique. And take a look at the flames like that, how the flames look like they're actually icicles like that. It's really cool. And take a look at that Grim Reaper as the skull and crossbones, how it's all covered in snow and ice. That's really, really cool. And if you are wondering about there being a Fire Gravedigger around, yes, there is a Fire Gravedigger, and Fire Gravedigger is being driven by Charlie Pauken right now. So I had a feeling after Charlie debuted this at the World Finals. If you're wondering that noise, that's my dog. Anyway, Charlie Pauken is still doing the Fire Gravedigger as to when he debuted Fire Gravedigger at the World Finals. It's just sad that they couldn't bring the regular Soldier Fortune into the All-Star Challenge, because I remember Kayla Blood debuted that on the Ice Soldier Fortune during the World Finals Encore. But now that we're looking at an Ice and Fire Gravedigger, all I can say as at this point on is, whose side are you on? Ice or Fire? And since Gravedigger started off on Team Fire like that, I go Team Fire all the way, but apparently for last night's racing and best trick competition, that was all dominated excuse me, that was dominated by Team Ice between Ryan Anderson and Brianna Mahan, but hopefully tonight it'll be with Team Fire getting some redemption. Alright, well, let's move on to our next truck. Great Clips Mohawk Warrior Fire. Alright, and here he is, and apparently, as of now, this is the only example I have of the Spin Master lineup of Great Clips Mohawk Warrior, because it's hard to believe, but I do not have the Mix 2 Great Clips Mohawk Warrior that came in the double packs with Son of a Digger. I'm practically a little behind on my Spin Master Monster Jam collecting because of my tight budget. But I honestly right now think the Fire version of Great Clips Mohawk Warrior is awesome. And I'm glad driver Bryce Kenny brought it to life Especially because if you look here at the mohawk, you can see that it looks nothing like hair, but it looks more like a bunch of flames like that. All glossy like that, and sure enough, that's what Bryce Kenny did. The only thing the real Great Clips Mohawk Warrior Fire doesn't have is that red windshield like that, along with the red chassis and yellow roll cage. But this is just a toy. What else can I say? Detail sure does vary, though. Very, very unique. And as for our next trucks, I think I'm not going to talk a lot about that because those are currently not in existence. But let's move on. In fact, I think I'm going to have both of them out of the box at the same time. So here we go. Here they are, Fire Son of a Digger and Fire Pirate's Curse, in which, of course, these are not currently in existence right now. One thing I did notice that since Mix 2 A and B came out with 3 fire trucks and 2 ice trucks, it means by then if I'm able to have the Ice Earthshaker, all the die-casts from the first mixes as well as the double packs would have been even, because I remember when they did the double packs and the first singles mix like that, Team Ice was on top as how many trucks they had, but now that I've got 3 of the fire trucks as well as only 1 of the ice trucks, now Team Fire has a lot more trucks on my die-cast collection, but I'll even things out soon with the Ice Earthshaker. But right now we are looking at Fire Son of a Digger first, and I think that is very incredible detail if he was on the fire team like that. Not a lot to say though. There is supposed to be variants though between Fire Son of a Digger for here as well as the playset edition of the Fire and Ice, which I have yet to review the Fire and Ice playset, but I just don't want to review it unless I've seen somebody's opinion on it. And there is supposed to be, according to Facebook on Monster Jam OCD, that there is a different variant of the Son of a Digger Fire. And then here's Fire Pirate's Curse, and the only negative we have about the detail in regards to the Fire Pirate's Curse is that the eye over here is not inside out like it should be, because this is not what eyes would look like as if they're on fire. But you can see they're trying to make everything look as if it's on fire like that. So instead you've got a reversed color with a red hat and a black bandana. And along with that, you got a yellow sword and a yellow dagger knife like that. So these are pretty cool. Alright, so here is part 1 over here of Fire and Ice Mix 2. So hopefully I'll complete it soon by getting Ice Earthshaker. So thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the All-Star Challenge tonight. Until next time, this is Cameron at Pinchy08, signing and pinching out. Take care.